Hey, got 5 minutes? Let's catch you up on the craziest, coolest AI news this week. We're talking Apple and Google teaming up, yep, really, self-driving cars in New York City, and even a new AI that can create pictures. And maybe too many of them, if you know what I mean. There's also a bunch of big companies spending billions on robots and smart tools, and one wild story where an AI accidentally deleted an entire database. Yeah, big oops. Stick around because we're breaking it all down in plain, simple words even your dog could understand. Let's go. First up, Apple might give Siri a serious brain boost by teaming up with Google's Gemini AI. That means your iPhone might soon get way better at answering questions, and maybe even have real conversations. Basically, Siri 2.0 is coming, and this time, it might actually be smart. We're talking smarter texting, reminders, and jokes that don't fall flat. Next, Meta, aka the Facebook folks, are partnering with Midjourney. That's the AI that can create insanely good images from just a text prompt. Like you type, "a cat riding a rainbow in space," and boom, Midjourney makes it. Meta wants to use it for fun videos and to spice up your social media posts. Now, about Intel. They're in a bit of a weird spot. The US government now owns almost 10% of the company. That could make other countries nervous to buy from them or fund their projects. It's like running a business, with your parents always watching. Kinda awkward. Tech giants are playing chess and the board is definitely heating up. Grab your popcorn. Things are getting spicy in AI land. Waymo just became the first company allowed to test fully self-driving cars in New York City. That's a huge deal. NYC traffic is like a video game on nightmare difficulty. Taxis, potholes, pizza bikes. If robocars can survive there, they can survive anywhere. Then there's Elon Musk's XAI, which just launched a wild new tool called Grok Imagine. It turns words into images and videos. But here's the twist, it also allows NSFW content. And that has people raising eyebrows. Like, who's controlling this thing? Is it going to flood the internet with questionable stuff? Meanwhile, Xiaomi dropped a slick new voice assistant for smart homes and cars. It's like Alexa, but smarter and more human-sounding. You could say, "I'm cold," and it just knows to turn up the heat. No buttons, no commands, just vibes. AI tools are leveling up fast, and some of them are getting a little too powerful for comfort. Over in Sweden, some of the country's biggest companies, like AstraZeneca, Ericsson, Saab, and SEB, are teaming up to build a mega AI company. Think Avengers, but for tech. Instead of each one building their own systems, they're pooling their brain power to compete globally. Smart move. Meanwhile, Google is dropping $9 billion, that S billion with a B, into a new AI data center in Oklahoma. This place will help run everything from search engines to science labs. It's one of the biggest AI investments on Earth. That's more than some countries spend on healthcare. And AI is doing way more than just chatbots. Scientists are using it to design better, cheaper, longer-lasting batteries. Doctors are using it to detect breast cancer earlier than ever before. This is the kind of stuff that doesn't just save time, it saves lives. This isn't sci-fi anymore, this is real life, and it's moving fast. In Chicago, White Castle, you know, the burger place, is testing little delivery robots. You order fries and a robot rolls up with your food like it's straight out of a Pixar movie. That's happening now. Back to healthcare. Researchers say AI tools are catching signs of breast cancer way earlier and with more accuracy than humans alone. That could lead to faster treatment, better outcomes, and a lot more lives saved. Sometimes the biggest heroes run on code, but not every AI story ends well. A Riplet AI agent accidentally deleted an entire database during testing. Just poof, gone. It's a solid reminder, maybe don't let the bots handle everything just yet. There's also a new study showing that teens are turning to AI chatbots when they feeling down. Some say it's easier to talk to a bot than a real person. It's kinda sweet, and also kinda sad. AI isn't just in the lab anymore. It's in your burgers, your hospitals, your feelings. Wild times. Before we go, here's a quick-fire round of even more madness. The Allen Institute for AI scored $152 million for a massive new research project called Oh My. The University of Florida got $4.7 million from the U.S. Air Force to build next-gen AI tools. Carnegie Mellon launched a brand new AI institute because even schools want in on the action now. Amazon's AWS is developing agentic AI. Basically, super smart assistants that act like digital coworkers. Bloomberg built a bot to help with budgeting. Shout out if you need help paying bills. SoundHound is bringing voice AI into hospitals. There's a new green AI tool that helps ChatGPT use less power to help the environment. North Korea and Russia are teaming up on AI development. That's definitely something to keep an eye on. And the U.S. Department of Defense is going all in with tech companies to counter that. Delta Airlines is testing AI to make flights smoother. And Mira Murati ES' new startup just raised a casual $2 billion to build what she calls thinking machines. That's all the biggest AI stories this week. Smash that like button, hit subscribe if you're loving the tech updates, and I'll catch you in the future.